So now we move on to the brakes because we're still in the front. So we have on all three wheels, we have hydraulic brakes, and we offer two different kinds. We have the German U-Micro-Mobility and we have the Tektro. Both of them are the little bit thicker cargo bike brake, so it's 180 millimeters diameter and 2.3 millimeters thick. And both of them are 4 caliper brake pistons. And as you can see here on the U-Micro-Mobility, there are really nice CNC milled in Germany, and both of the brakes actually also come with a parking brake, so you can just easily store your Packoped away without it rolling off into the horizon. And yeah, that's it about the brakes.